I'm going to show you in this video how you can install and use Userscripts for iPhone Safari. Go to App Store and you're going to install this app here, Userscripts, and after the installation just open it and you're going to set the directory for Userscripts. I have already set it and go back. Now what you're going to do is launch Safari and tap on this AA button on any website. Scroll down here and go to manage extensions and turn the Userscripts on. Now tap on done. Now you will get the Userscripts extension here. Tap on this extension. Tap on done. Now you're gonna find the Userscripts online that you wanna install. You can find a lot of scripts that you can use on Greasy Fork site. So go to Greasy Fork and tap on browse this site to view the scripts. Suppose that I wanna get this Userscript here. Tap on this script and tap on install this script. Tap on this extension button here on the URL box. Scroll down, tap on Userscripts and you'll just check here and we're gonna tap to install. Scroll down and install. So it's been installed now. So that's how you can install and use the Userscripts on Safari. If you like this video, then just give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Okay, bye.